Hi everyone, hope you all are good with your family. And today we are heading towards IBN Batuta Mall in Dubai. So stay tuned with us. Hope so you will like this vlog. So guys, as I told you that we are heading towards IBN Batuta Mall. Let me tell you something about this mall. So actually this mall is on the Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai, and it is a very famous road in Dubai. And yeah, okay, and yes, so it is the largest theme shopping mall in Dubai. As you know that mostly in Dubai you will see that, you know, largest, world largest this, world largest this, that. So this is one of the world largest theme shopping mall, and it is also very famous. So I hope so you will like this in the video, in this vlog. Okay, so this mall opened in 2005 और इसमें 300 शॉप्स हैं, जिसमें 50 शॉप्स जो हैं वो रेस्टोरेंट है एक्चुअली, और जो पार्किंग स्पेस है वो 4500 है। और ओवरऑल जो IBN बतूता मॉल बना हुआ है वो है लगभग 5,21,000 स्क्वायर मीटर का स्पेस है जिसमें ये बना हुआ है। तो इस मॉल का नाम IBN बतूता मॉल इसलिए बना है क्योंकि 14th सेंचुरी में एक मगरबी ट्रैवलर था, वो यहाँ पे आया था और उसका नाम के बेस में ये बना है, या इसका नाम IBN बतूता मॉल बना है। सो ये जो मॉल है ये 6 थीम में बना हुआ है, जो कि फर्स्ट है एंडालुसिया, सेकंड है इजिप्ट, थर्ड है पर्शिया, एंड फोर्थ है चाइना, फिफ्थ है इंडिया, एंड सिक्स्थ है टूनिशिया। So this mall has 6 courts. First one is Andalusia, second is China, third one is Egypt, fourth is Tunisia, fifth is India, and then the sixth one is Persia. Maybe the order is different, but I'm just telling you that there are 6 courts in this mall.
This is the entrance of IBN Batuta Mall.
So we have reached in this IBN Batuta Mall, and as I told you that there are 6 courts. So this is the one of the court, which is Tunisia. So this is Tunisia court, and as you can see this has sky theme. So if you come in this mall you will see that it is whole covered like a sky. This mall is covered like a sky, so you feel that you are just standing here under the sky. So this is IBN Batuta Mall. You like this mall, Tia?
Yes, and you know, I thought that was the sky.
Yes, it is a.
But it's not.
This mall is all covered by sky theme.
No, it's covered by wallpaper of the sky.
Yes.
And it tricked me because then I thought that why there lights on the sky.
Yes. So this is a nice mall. As I already told you that this is the world largest theme shopping mall in Dubai. So this is a happening place, and it's weekend, so in Dubai, of course, if it is weekend, it's all crowded everywhere. This one is the Egypt court. So as I told you, it has 6 sections. This is the Egypt court. And always when you are in Dubai, you will see these perfume shops everywhere. This is infrastructure of this mall. You can see it is inside Egypt court. So it is like this. I don't know what is this. So it's a nice infrastructure over here, and we are inside the Egypt court. So as usual, Tia, you are taking ice cream again, huh? Huh? Which ice cream you are taking now? No, no. No, no. I'm not happy. Not happy? Basically, if you like to do shopping, this is a place for you. You can come here and explore. Even you will find Indian and Pakistan suits, shawls, everything over here. As you can see in this shop, they have Pakistani shawls and this. As I told you before, that this full mall is covered by this sky theme. So this one is Persia court. So basically these are the section which they made like this. R&B. This one is warehouse gym, and I think this one is so big gym. Here, this one is same H&M. You will get everywhere. This is R&B. R&B thi papa is Oman or okay. Means all the brands, but you will get all these brands in India as well. Now we're gonna, I think, enter in this Starbucks court. This one. Yes, so this one is the Starbucks court, as you can see over here. हाँ स्टारबक पे याद point. Look at the architecture. I just show you from here. Look at the architecture over here. happening mall. What you showed?
Very great.
Oh. It's a big mall, and when you are coming with your elders, you need to go and get the wheelchair. So today mummy is with us, so we also got the wheelchair for her because she can't walk more. And I can see this one is Tim Horton here. Tim Hortons. Where we should go, which side? So this is Tim Hortons, and we're gonna enter now the India court. So from here you will enter in this India court. Look at here. So this one is India court. Nothing special about this. Yes, I'm just saying that it's nothing special in this mall. Just you will see that it is covered by sky theme. This is basically called as elephant clock, and as you can see over here, there is a huge elephant statue. Right at the center of the mall in India court. And there you can see it's a clock over there. So this is the architecture inside the India court in IBN Batuta Mall, and this one is the clock which I was talking about. The elephant and this clock is the landmark in this India court. So it looks like this. It's a huge clock, and you can see some of the you can see some of the pictures on this clock. I don't know like what they represent, but it is like this. So this one is the China court now. We're gonna enter in this court now. So now we're gonna enter in this China court, and this look like this. Yeah, get down. This one is China court, and here you can see this is the landmark, and for small kids they even have. Okay, so this is the pirate ship over here in this China court in the IBN Batuta Mall, and even kids are doing go-karting. Bye everyone. I hope you like this short short vlog of this IBN Batuta
Love you
Mall.
guys.
We are so tired, but it's a good experience to come over here.
We love you guys.
So see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Bye.